Monthly Income Statement Projection, Tutorial, and Instructions. The monthly income statement profit and loss projection is a report that indicates the revenue/income and expenses of the company for an initial period of the projection time. The statement reveals the net income/profit or loss the company has for each month of the initial projected time period. The template has an income statement projection monthly, detailed and pasted into the business plan Word document for an initial time period. This statement is taken from the Excel workbook. Users of the Plug and Plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own statement projections.